Hello everyone, greetings from Rob Developers. I am Shazib back again with a new video. This video is not for everyone. This video is specially made for Mac user. In this video, I will show you how to install Android Studio on a Mac. Installing Android Studio on a Mac is more easy than Windows. On our next video, I will show you how to install Flutter on your Mac machine. So, enough of talking, let's proceed to the installation process. First of all, open your web browser and search for Android Studio. Here, instead of clicking on download, click on and download option. Then choose the right one for you. Accept the terms and conditions and click on download. Let me show you a small trick here. As you can see, downloading on default browser may slow. So here I will use an external download manager. Here copy the downloading address and open free download manager. Click on the plus button, then click on download. You will see a magic here. The speed will be at least 20 times faster. After completing the download, double-click on the file. An window will be open like this. Simply drag and drop the Android Studio to the application folder. Now, open Android Studio from the application folder. Here, select Do Not Import Settings and click OK. Select the standard installation and click Next. Choose a theme from dark or light and click Next. Here, click on Next and accept the agreements. And click on Finish. It will take some time to download the files. Once done, click on Finish. The first step is done here. Now, from the More Actions, select SDK Manager. Select top 2 or 3 Android versions from here. Now, click on SDK Tools and select exactly what I am selecting. Now, click on Apply. You will see estimated download size here. Click on OK and it will start downloading the files. It might take some time depending on your internet speed. Click on Finish, then OK. Now, let's create a new project to check everything working or not. Select Empty Activity and click Next. Here, choose the language and minimum SDK version. You can change the default location as well. The files will be stored there. I am choosing desktop folder for now. The folder needs to be empty. So, creating a new folder here. Now click on finish and the process will be started. For the first time build, it may take very long depending on your machines and internet speed. Okay, the build process is done here. The activity main.xml file is the design file where we will design our app. And the main activity.java file is our code file. Now let's create a virtual device or emulator. First of all, click on the mobile icon, then click on create virtual device. Here select any device you like. I am choosing Pixel 4, then click next. Download the latest system image from here. In this time, Android S is the latest one, so I am downloading this. Accept the agreements and click on next. And again, it will take some time to download the files. It will be around 1 GB or more. After downloading, click on finish and select the system image you just downloaded. Don't need anything here, just click on finish. And it's done. We can see the emulator here and run the app by this run button. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. And if you have any issues while installing, comment down below. I will try to solve. Thanks for watching.